My name's Angus Findlay. I run a company called Adept Online to Success. We are a digital marketing agency where we get results for businesses online from their website. Our biggest challenge is getting businesses to understand digital marketing and to understand that it's the cheapest way of marketing their business and it's where their audience is. This is our major challenge with any business within Wales at the moment. If I started now, I would offer a full range of services. We started as a training organisation and then moved on to website design. We would offer all of those right from the start. I'd also look at having a personal business mentor to help me grow the business, someone who's been there, done that, got the t-shirt. Proudest moments. We've had lots of proud moments at Adept. My main proud moment is any customer that comes back and says we've got results from their website or we've made a difference to their business. That's all we're trying to do at Adept, trying to get more results to people's websites, and that's the greatest success and proudest moment for all of us. Best marketing advice to any business out there at the moment is go online, use social media, it's free of charge, use your website, it's easy with a bit of training, all the information's on YouTube to use the internet and do digital marketing, it's very cost effective. Our other advice is use networking events has got us where we are so far through knowing people, and it's who you know, not what you know, quite often. Characteristics of a businessman, they need to be stubborn, they need to have a sense of humour, they need to know how to work hard and be passionate about what they do, to push that, to tell other people about what they do.